How to make a public GitHub repository private. Welcome to another Develop and Design tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a public GitHub repository private. From the repository panel on the left-hand side of your GitHub dashboard, you want to click on the public repository in which you want to make private. Then you want to click on the Settings tab. Now scroll down the settings page to the Danger Zone section. Click on the Change Visibility button and then click Change to Private. Then in the open prompt, let's click the I want to make this repository private button. Now in the next prompt, we want to read the effects this action will have on our repository. Then click the I have read and understand these effects button. Then in the final prompt, we want to click the Make this repository private button. Now we know this repository is private as it has a padlock icon next to the repository name at the top of the page. If you have any questions about this, then please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like and hit the subscribe button.